If you've ever had a UTI, you know how miserable they can be. Burning pain, constant trips to the bathroom, it's an awful experience. You'll probably do anything you can to avoid getting another one. So you're probably researching, trying to figure out what your options are. Sometimes a bidet comes up as an option, but that might bring up some more questions and concerns like, will this actually cause more UTIs? Isn't this just gonna spray stuff around? It's valid questions, so let's talk about it. I do want to stop and say we are not doctors. We don't say anything definitively that a bidet will or will not cause a UTI. However, I do want to talk about our personal experience, how bidets are designed and how they work, and give some customer feedback that we've had from many customers that come to us struggling with chronic UTIs. But if you have any questions at all, definitely talk to your doctor about it. So what is a UTI? A UTI is a urinary tract infection, typically caused by getting bacteria in your urethra, which travels up into your bladder and causes an infection. You're gonna experience things like burning pain, needing to go to the bathroom a lot, sometimes fever or pelvic pain. It's not fun. They're common in women, but men can also get them, and they're extremely common in elderly people. So do bidets cause UTIs? Most people wonder, is the water just going to spray everything forward and cause the issue that we're trying to prevent in the first place? So most high-end electric bidet seats are designed to spray at a very specific angle to prevent water from spraying forward. So the angle is designed to hit the target and fall straight down, as you can see here. Compare that to using toilet paper, and even if you are wiping correctly, in other words, not wiping back to front, residue is still just a thing that happens with toilet paper. Your skin is porous and you're using dry paper, so it's not going to get you fully clean no matter how hard you try. Then throughout the day, that extra leftovers can get in your underwear and be spread around throughout the day, and that can cause a UTI or just irritation in general. Bidets are designed to wash it away and not leave any residue, so you don't have anything lingering. So we've had so many customers come to us that struggle with UTIs, or they're caring for a loved one that struggle with UTIs. And once they've tried a bidet, we've had so much feedback saying that their UTIs were either eliminated completely or just drastically reduced. And that's super exciting for us because that is something that we care about, and we want to make sure people have the right bidet for their specific situation. So here are some things to look for. Look for a bidet that has a self-rinse that will clean the nozzle before and after each use. Look for a bidet that has some sterilization. There are ones on the market that have UV sterilization and some that have silver nano sterilization. There's even some e-water. There's lots of different ones, but we do recommend one that does have some sterilization. And look for one that has a dryer. You want to dry off after you use a bidet, even if you use a little bit of toilet paper to pat dry. You don't want to leave the bathroom still wet because that can cause irritation. So used the right way, bidets can be a safe and effective option for reducing bacteria that causes UTIs. If you're interested in looking into a bidet, reach out to us. We're happy to help you pick out the right one for your specific needs.
ManyBidets.com, where we sell mini bidets, not mini bidets.